Hi, welcome back to my channel. A notification have been released from NCTE. So let's see in detail of this notification. There are 5 different posts and number of vacancies are 18. For assistant posts, for unreserved, there are 3 posts and total number of vacancies are 3. For stenographer grade C, for unreserved is 1, ST1, PH1, and so total number of posts are 3 for stenographer grade C. For stenographer grade D post, for UR it's 4, OBC 2, and total number of posts are 6 for stenographer grade D. For data entry operator, for UR it's 1 and total number of posts are 1 for data entry operator. For lower division clerk post, for UR it's 2, OBC 2 and PH1. So total number of posts are 5 for lower division clerk. Coming to the education qualifications. For post of assistant, the essential qualification required is degree and 2 years experience in general administration or establishment, stores or accounts in central, state government, autonomous or other organizations, and second one is facilities in computer application. These two are just a desirable qualification and the essential qualification is only degree. And for stenographer grade C post, the essential qualification required are: first one is 10+2, second is speed of 100 words per minute in English or Hindi shorthand, and third required is skill of data entry and word processing in computer. These three are essential qualification for this post. For the post of stenographer grade D, the essential qualifications are: first one is 12th class, second is skill test norms dictation 10 MTS at the rate 80 words per minute, and transcription 65 MTS in English, 75 MTS in Hindi on manual typewriter, and on computer 50 MTS in English, 65 MTS in Hindi. For the data entry operator, the essential qualifications are 10+2. For the lower division clerk post, the essential qualifications are 10+2, and second is typing speed of 35 word per minute in English or 30 word per minute in Hindi, and third is knowledge of working on computer, and fourth is skill test norms only on computers. Coming to the application fees, 1250 rupees for assistant and stenographer grade C post, and 1000 rupees for the post stenographer grade D and lower division clerk, and for data entry operator, and no fee for the candidates belonging to SC or ST or PH or women's or ex-servicemen and NCTE employees. And they gave 25 cities for these exams, like for Patna in Bihar, and for Andhra Pradesh they gave Vijayawada and Visakhapatnam, and for the Telangana they gave Hyderabad as centers. And these are the important dates. Online registration will be start on August 20, and the last date for the online registration is 19 September, and the last date for the fees submission is 19 September.